Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make.
Look at there. We're getting snow up on the mountains already. Hard to believe. Here it is, not even October. We got snow up there. It's probably 45 degrees out here today. Hey everybody, Lewis here. Rshackbbq and other things. As you can see, winter's starting to come on hard here. If you have been following me, you'll see that I want to do a couple upgrades to the Rshack Cook Shack. And I started on that. So I'm gonna play a video of what it looked like before. If you saw my last video, you would have seen that. And then we'll get into this and I'll show you what I've been doing. So hope you enjoy the ride as we go into step one, or upgrade number one on it. So we got the wall done on the Rshack, and we'll just take a quick look at it, show you what I got done here. Okay, let's take a look at what I've done here. Get you out of the sun. See, I've taken those old fence boards and I kind of did a wall inside there. Got my decorations on there, looking pretty good. Got my barbecues and smokers all set up, ready to go. You can see, go Seahawks. Turned out really, really nice.